You know what that is?
It's just like y'all's calling me Shedrick.
What does that say?
You know what that is?
What is that?
A registration card valid from January 8th.
You know what that means?
Y'all know I'm kind of retarded. I really don't. Not thoroughly.
It means you're going to jail because you got unpaid parking tickets.
And this is the other part of this special part.
Thank you.
It's from all of us.
Aw, thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's Shadell Charger or Challenger.
Give her a hug. Give her a kiss. Give her some kisses. Ow, really, Dallas? Come go see your
Come on,
car.
Jasmine. Let's go,
Exactly, yeah.
let's go see your car, Jasmine. You got a brand new minivan.
I don't even care what it is.
But you like where?
Look at the key.
What kind of keys is the car for?
We finna get in somebody else's car.
Okay, so it's this one, right? Yep. Thank you, guys. You know what? This is my first car.
Turn it on.
Wait, I gotta pull the seat up. What is this? You got some leather seats. Look at you.
Oh, just
Wait,
take off.
I don't. How you turn it on?
Oh, Jasmine.
I don't know how.
Oh, Jasmine. Turn it on.
How?
Step on the brake.
No, you gotta step on the brake. How put this out? The key not in there? I put it in
Jasmine.
there. Right there.
You didn't turn it.
I thought I did.
You didn't turn it. You turned it the wrong way.
So y'all trying to see me test drive around the block?
Yeah, go
You
drive
wanna
around,
get in?
go drive around the block.
You don't know what you're doing. Windows. Just sit there for a second and.
Yeah.